What is good, folks? Another day, another vlog. This is actually take 2. I already did my intro, but the camera messed up the whole video, so I'm doing this again. So yeah, on the agenda for today, we're taking the car back to St. George's from the rental company from which we rented the car from. It's an hour's drive. Hopefully I'll be able to capture some scenery and stuff while we're driving back from the rental place, because one of our cousins is going to take us there and then he's going to drive us back in his car. So unlike last time when I was driving up here, I'll be able to capture some scenery, all that sort of stuff, and if we stop off, you know, I can take the camera out and capture some other stuff. But yeah, obviously I couldn't do that the first time because one, it was late at night, so you couldn't really see anything at all, and I was driving, so obviously, you know, I don't vlog and drive. So yeah, that was an impossibility. But today we're leaving early, and you know, I'm not driving, I'm going to be a passenger, and yeah, I should be able to capture some good footage. If I don't, well then this video will never come out, so it doesn't really matter at this point. But yeah, hopefully, you know, should be a good one. It's gonna take about an hour to drive there and an hour to drive back, obviously from here, so good little drive, but nothing too crazy. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. But it is a beautiful day in Grenada. We did get some rain this morning, which was kind of crazy, like torrential stuff. There's a story to go with that, but I'm not going to tell the story because it's kind of embarrassing for somebody. But yeah, man, beautiful day, beautiful vibes, and you know, let's get this car back. So catch you guys when I do, and hopefully it'll be something exciting that I'm showing. So let go.
$4 a day I get. But sometimes you have Sunday.
Alright guys, that is to cap this one up. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but hey, yeah, no. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy watching again. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.